Hello, here it is Jurassic Park 2468, and I am doing a review of a Beyblade. Takara Tomy. This is out of the normal, but I am in Edmonton currently, so yeah. And here is the Beyblade. Comes with stickers. And the bay, of course.
Why did I say it?
Hi, Ella. Wouldn't be a review without my sister, would it? No, it wouldn't.
Yeah,
Sorry if you can't. Okay. And here is the launcher. It looks very tiny.
Oh, let me see in real. Show everybody though.
And here is the cord. And now it is time for the Beyblade. Let it rip. Oh, there is a hole here, which I did not notice.
Probably
Nice.
from your teeth.
No, it isn't. And just look. Really nice. Just saying that. This is the middle, which it looks really nice. Takara Tomy always does a good job with everything, really. Well, not everything, but here is Beyblade. Anyways, here's the stickers, and I think this is gonna conclude this review anyways. Thank you for watching, and I like dinosaurs.